Been away, been busy, but let me see if I can upload today, man. Show you what it sounds like. Ooh, look at that butt.
Holy, bro, that vibration is horrible. I finally got what was it? I finally got the exhaust installed, man. I'm sorry for like the not uploads, man. I've been having a lot going on right now. I finished school in 2 days. That's good, right? That's always good. Yeah, man, school's done in 2 days. I'm excited for that. But if y'all watching this video, is it y'all love me or y'all want to see what the Q50 sound like? I'm gonna see, cause I want to get some outside clips of how the car sounds. I'll probably give y'all some few revs. Y'all heard what the co-star sounds like. The co-star sounds nasty. I might be glazing, but the low-key sound like a G80. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just saying that. That's just me. That's what I think. It sounds crazy though. It sounds nice, but it's a co-star. The cars always sound good on a co-star. It's like when it sounds the most aggressive. But I'm gonna give y'all some drive-by, not drive-bys. I'm gonna give y'all, you know, a little POV of how the car sounds like in the cabin. I think it sounds good, bro. I don't know if the video's gonna do justice, but in person, like, especially with the windows down, it sounds so good, bro. I'm so happy I got this exhaust. This exhaust is literally like changing, like, bro. It's so bro. The car, it's a whole different car. I'm not even trying to glaze. But if y'all curious what exhaust I got the MBRP catback. It's the non-resonated one. I don't got. It's straight from my lower down pipes, non-catted all the way back. Yeah, man, I got no restriction. Only my upper cats. Contemplating on taking my upper cats off when I get tuned. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want to do that. I heard some people say you could over spool your turbos. You can over spool your turbos and cause them to get more wore down. Basically, I'm just trying to go more conservative, protect the vehicle more than going like full catless. And like you're, oh my gosh, the car stopped. Like, bro, you good, bro? You can go. I'm sorry, these people don't know I'm trying to record. It's okay though. But yeah, man, I wanted to go kind of conservative. That's why I only did lower down pipes instead of full catless, because full catless, it is gonna make your turbos work a lot more. Because you have no cat, bro. It's fighting the pressure. No pressure. But yeah, man, I love how my car's set up right now. Performance wise, it's probably it. Bro, are you gonna turn your turn signal? Jeez, bro, literally made my leg jump up. When I get lowered though, when I do get on coilovers, the car should handle a lot better around corners. I might get sway bar, not sway bar end leaks. I might get aftermarket sway bars, or you know, some tie rods, you know, to get better controlling. Oh, you're lying. It's a train. Oh, look, there's a G in front of me. But yeah, man, performance wise, this is it. Honestly, what I got right now, I got Booster 6 3-inch intakes. I got my heat exchanger. Man. I know a lot of people that they just go straight into JB4 catalyst downpipe and tune. That's crazy, bro. You need to have, you know, you need to protect your car. You can't get mad when it blows up. Well, the supporting mods I have right now are there's a cash can and a heat exchanger. The heat exchanger is from, where is it? Burgers BMS, Burgers Motorsports Tuning. I got it from them. My cash can is from ADDW1. I got the V1. I kind of got it because it was on sale and I wanted one at the time. I might upgrade to the V2 just because I heard it has better, it catches more blow by. I think it actually hooks up to where your intake is. I don't know too much of how that system works, but I did hear the V2 ADDW. Bro, don't tell me this, bro. Why is he stopping? Don't tell me this guy's stopping, bro. Bro, ain't no way he's gonna stop. Yeah, he's gonna. Bro, look at this train, bro. Bro, he's literally stopping. We're gonna go on to the next exit over. That's why it's good to know your streets, man. Performance wise, really, this car is exhaust, maybe that's about it. Exhaust intakes maybe to get better airflow. If I'm being honest, if you want the best, like best performance, it's probably best to keep your stock intakes, because the stock intakes proved to be, you know, actually really good. Let's see what it sounds like with the windows down. But like I was saying, man, the intakes for the Q50s 3.0s, they did prove to be really good stock, you know, stock ones already. The aftermarket ones is more preference. Oh damn, just had a turn. It's more preference of, damn, dude, I gotta stop right there. Yo, this is a sketch. Should I do it? Hold on, I gotta lock in. I really could have been gone. But I'm not gonna run this corner. I honestly, I really could have gone, but this corner is like, bro, I couldn't see what's on the other side. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Hold on, let's get that. Y'all let me know how my driving is. Was that nasty? Am I ready for the mountains? Nah, bro, this hair keeps getting in my way. if it makes a really big difference. I can definitely tell you, driving with the windows down, like the rasp is not, how do I say it? I like it though. Like, it's loud. It's like I don't know how to explain it, bro. I feel like I definitely hit the drone and rasp, but it's nice. It sounds like it's not too much. In the car, this exhaust, like, really, if I don't step on the exhaust, it sounds quiet. It sounds like I'm stopped. Probably not from outside. You can probably hear a little rumble, but in the cabin, if you're not stepping on the gas, bro, you chilling. If you don't want to get a headache, you chilling. It sounds mad quiet. You really only hear when you kind of step on it. That's it. Damn, bro, I get off task so much, man. I'm gonna be talking about what I got done to my car, and then I jump to one thing and then to another. All over the place, man. But yeah, but like performance wise, really, I think I'm set. I just want to get a tune, and I'm pretty much sure that's it. I'm gonna get tuned, and that's about it. I know for sure when I do get tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade my 2.5-inch MAF housing to the 3-inch that Boosted 6 does offer. They do offer the Boosted 6, the shorty intakes they offer. How do I explain it? Their MAF housing is like, you can upgrade the size, or you can stay stock to your 2.5. That's why you say you could run the shorty intakes with no tune, because they have an option for the MAF housing to be the same MAF housing size as the stock one. But if you want to upgrade to the 3-inch, you will need a tune for that. And when I do get tuned, I'm gonna upgrade to the 3-inch. I'm looking forward to that, man. I'm gonna probably do remote tuning. I'm probably tuning myself. I'll probably y'all let me know if y'all want a video of that. Damn, bro, tuning's expensive though. Like, if you don't have if you don't have the dongle or the system or the software, bro, it's mad expensive. Like 1,500. I'm like, holy, bro. Honestly, the tune's gonna probably be the most expensive thing I get done to my car, bro. What other car part or modification could be more expensive than the tune, bro? Besides bags or wheels, nothing, bro. Nothing else could be more expensive. Okay, now, like, never mind, I take that back. You can get upgraded turbos and stuff like that, but bro, that's it. Okay, I take that back. If you're doing a built motor, I'm pretty sure it's a lot more expensive than 1.5. Take that back. I take that back. But like an everyday regular car, like this car, like my car, bro, there's nothing's beating that 1.5. Bro, I want to race a Mustang so bad. I think I got it. Bro, if y'all haven't tried a snack wraps from McDonald's, bro, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put y'all on game. Go get that snack wrap, bro. It's like 10 bucks, I don't know, but it's so gas, it's so good, man. I ate that for lunch like last week. Busting everywhere. Yeah, man, I'm ending the video here. A little short POV. I'm gonna try to upload more this week. Like I said, apologies. Life's been kind of hectic right now. I am finishing. I've been trying to catch up on like schoolwork and, you know, get stuff turned in on time. But yeah, man. But stay tuned this week. There should be consistent videos this week. If y'all did enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and yeah, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow.